Hello everyone and welcome to the Viral Stocks Weekend Recap. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of viralstocks.io, and today we're going to be discussing AMC, DATS, GFAI, GME, LODE, NILE, Tkat, and WWR. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Viral Stocks and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at viralstocks.io/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to viralstocks.io or viralstocks.io/sign up to sign up for our free day and swing trade short-term momentum penny stock alerts. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And since we release all of our profiles at the opening bell, text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. Also, you can click the red download ebook to get the free Viral Stocks Guide to Penny Stocks. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from viralstocks.io. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. Happy to put March behind us. We had just, of our alerts, we had two big triple-digit runners. Those were the big runners for us here at viralstocks.io. Backed off here towards the end of the month. We're looking for a bigger and a better April to get more runners. But the fact is, they're few and far between. We're not getting the triple-digit runners like we were last year. It was the first quarter was pretty rough. Overall, we're happy to put the Q1 behind us and now focus on Q2. Right now, the markets are giving you just double-digit returns. You got to be constantly booking profits. You can't get greedy. Don't get into the diamond hands, paper hands BS. AMC, I talked about this one last week, guys. A resource that I use is finviz.com. And, if you're trading AMC, I know a lot of you are into this options and gamma squeezes and all this other stuff. Look, guys, just follow the numbers. Learn to read charts. Learn about trend lines, support, resistance. I mean, it told you what to do here. Where the buy point was, where the sell point was. It ran it right into the resistance between 30 and 35. On the 200-day moving average on AMC is 32.63. That was your signal to sell. I mean, it needed to close above that 200-day moving average. It couldn't, and we closed the week at 23.30. Same with GME, guys. It ran right into the resistance between 180 and 200, and it sold off from there, 165. This was your indicator to book profits. In terms of buys, I know a lot of you guys were buying the dip all the way from 300 all the way down to 80. That's a surefire way to go broke. If you focused on where the trend line support was, bought off that, you would have saved yourself a lot of grief, a lot of headache, and you would be much more profitable. Again, finviz.com. It's a free resource. Go and check it out. It's got screeners. It's got everything that you need to know when it comes to trading NASDAQ and NYSE stocks, whether it's NYSE and NASDAQ penny stocks or big board names. It's all right there for you. Next up is DATS. This is a NFT play. They put out big news They're getting ready to launch their metaverse advertising and NFT monetization platform. NFTs are hot right now, and they're playing right into the story. And this is a play that you want to have on your radar screen. Small market cap, just 56 million, just 14 million shares in the float. This is one that we really like, and it's bounced off the trendline support, and now we're starting to get some action here. So we're liking DATS. Next up is GFAI. Good week here. Really been bounced off the low here. Got down to 30 cents, and it's just been a steady climber since then. Big short position. 64% of the float is short. Just 9.43 million shares in the float. They announced earnings, and they have a big outlook for 2022. They're expecting net revenue of 55 to 60 million, representing growth of more than 66% versus 2021. They're expecting revenues from the companies they're acquiring to be 21 million, representing 36% of total net revenues. So this company is really making big moves. They're signing deals, they're expanding, and they just have a $50 million market cap. They do 66 million. You can see they're undervalued. So GFAI is one that you need to get on your radar screen. Next up is LODE. This is a junior miner out of Nevada. It's run right into the trendline resistance here at $1.85. We close above 2. Then we're targeting the next moving average at 220. But we get above there, and it's blue skies ahead. And this with the war in Ukraine going on, it's just gold's about to get hot. And I think LODE is one play that you need to have on your radar screen. Next up is NILE. This is put out their Bitcoin news. This is a Bitcoin miner with Bitcoin. We backed off a little bit here, but we're trading right now 46,000. Bitcoin is looking very bullish, and I think people are going to come in and start focusing more on these Bitcoin penny stocks, and NILE is one that you want to have on your radar screen. Almost 10% of the float is short, but again, this is what I'm talking about here. It was a nice bounce off the, you could have bought it off the trendline support, sold trendline resistance, and right now here we're in the middle here. I'm going to be looking for a close above $1. That's a sign that we're going to get the scanners will be going off, and you'll get the algos coming in and bidding this one up. And this is one that you're going to want to play for if it closes above $1. You're going to want to play the after hours, because that's when things really heat up, and this is where they can really gap these things and get this thing going. So NILE is one you want to have on your radar screen. Next up is Tkat. Had a big close to the week, up 61%. This is another NFT play. Got 5% of the float short, just 8.74 million shares in the float. So as you can see, the types of gains, in Tkat that can really get going fast with the small float and the short position. So Tkat along with DATS, two great big board penny stocks if you're looking to play the NFT boom. Lastly is WWR. This one's had a run off $1.50, backed off here. This is one you want to pay attention to. They came out with a press release. They commend President Biden's decision to invoke the Defense Production Act. What's exciting about WWR, it's their Coosa graphite deposit in Coosa County, Alabama. This is a significant graphite property in the continental United States. And the company is currently conducting an exploration program on the deposit with the expectation to develop the deposit to supply natural flake graphite for processing into battery-grade graphite for all types of batteries. Buzzword, 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 battery grade graphite for all types of batteries. the U.S. is in dire need of EV supplies, graphite being one of them, and WWR, this is in their wheelhouse. This is, it's right in Alabama. We really like this play. WWR, this is one you need to start paying attention to. With everything going on, this one could really be a huge runner, depending on how the testing goes and but everything that we've read, it looks like a substantial graphite deposit in Alabama, and this one could get really hot. With that being said, guys, we're excited to kick off April. We're going to be running screens every morning looking for low float, low market cap plays with catalysts. That means news that we can send out a full report to our subscribers right at the opening bell. So we do all this for you. We're looking at all the plays first thing in the morning, what's got news, what we think can run, and we're sending that out to you via email and text messaging. And the best part is it is all free from viralstocks.io. With that being said, I want to wish everyone a wonderful weekend. Make sure you sign up at viralstocks.io or viralstocks.io/sign up so that you can get in on all these plays. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll be coming live to you Monday after the close. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.